Welcome back to Christine's World, everybody. I'm gonna do a complete breakfast in my air fryer. So the grits are not done in the air fryer, they're actually done on the stove, but you can master that in the microwave. I might do a video about how to do grits in the microwave. So what I did is I did some pork steak in the air fryer with some seasoned potatoes and also some over easy eggs in the air fryer. So I'm going to show you how I did it and how you can do it at home as well. So first you want to cut up your potatoes. I wash my potatoes off after I cut them up. So as soon as I cut them up, I'm going to go ahead and wash them off, but I'm going to wash them off of camera. And then you want to season your potatoes. If you're new at seasoning, I would try to do at least a teaspoon of seasoning until it is fully coated. And then we're going to go ahead and put them in the air fryer. We're going to put it in the air fryer for 45 minutes on 375 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and season our steaks with the same seasoning we seasoned our potatoes with. Once we're done seasoning our steaks, we're going to go ahead and beat one egg up and put it in a bowl. After we beat up one egg, we're going to dip the steaks inside the egg and then put it in our bake and shake bag. And I will show you. And this is how your steak should look. Once your potatoes are starting to get crispy and brown, you want to go ahead and add your bell peppers. The reason why you don't add them before it starts to cook is because they overcook, and then you won't have that yummy crispy taste of the veggies. So we're going to go ahead and add some frozen veggies and put it back in the air fryer. I stopped mine in 20 minutes within that 45-minute time frame. So within 25 minutes, I stopped it and put the veggies with the potatoes. Twenty more minutes and our potatoes are done, and this is how it looks. I did have to put it inside the air fryer a little longer, for about maybe another 15 minutes, because they were still kind of hard. So please go ahead and extend that time. Instead of 45 minutes, we're going to go ahead and cook it in the air fryer for an hour. And this is how they actually came out after cooking it a little longer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our steaks in the air fryer. We're going to do on 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. $10 in, but with cooking it, we're going to go ahead and take it out and flip the steaks over and let them stay in the air fryer for the remaining 10 minutes. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how I do my over easy eggs. You want to make sure that your skillet is hot, so that way the eggs can kind of fry a little bit in the pan before putting them in the air fryer. My air fryer roaster piece actually got rusted, so I'm unable to use it. So I tried to see if I can use this cast iron skillet, and yes, it does work. So I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 eggs. And I took my glass turntable out of the air fryer. That way it doesn't break, because these cast iron skillets get really hot. So I took the turntable out, and we're going to go ahead and put the eggs in the air fryer like that. So let's go ahead and cook it, and we're going to cook it for about 25 minutes on 375. This is the end results. In the middle, it's nice and soft. It's not running. It's perfect. And I love the air fryer eggs. They're beautiful. So this is the end results of this dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up, and don't forget to like it and share it out. I do appreciate you guys for stopping through.